Hey, welcome back YouTube. We're back at the lathe today. I moved over from the mill. I'm over here cutting the tapered bushings. I'm actually going to lock the belt gear to the servo motor for this Bridgeport conversion I'm doing. Currently I'm working on the X. Got Y up. I got to tighten it up and do the electronics probably tomorrow afternoon, but that's where I'm at right now. Currently what I'm doing is I'm making, I don't know if you can see, I am making a tapered lock bushing to go up inside the gear. I'm going to split this. I'll show it to you right before I put it together so you can see it. I've got the X or Y axis I'm going to take apart because my bushing I have in on that one is a steel bushing. But that's where I'm at. I'm getting ready to check my numbers, make sure I'm good, make sure my fit's good right here, and then I'm going to part it off. With that, I'll bring you back as soon as we get back over to the mill and start cutting that bracket to fit this new servo motor that we got, this hybrid servo. So looking forward to that. Took me a little bit to get that thing trammed in and get it square to the mill, but we're good to go now. I'm working off center on that one, so we should be all right. But anyways, we did pretty good. This one here, I was actually kind of surprised. Wow, my zoom's working great on my iPhone. Kind of surprised. I got a lot of cleaning to do when this project's done. Had a lot more machine work than I'd anticipated when I started, but it is what it is, right? I like doing the electronics. The machine's kind of fun, but the electronics is what I love. I like the machine, but I don't like to have to do it in order to get this thing moved where I can get it moved, you know? So, but I got it all apart in the middle of the shop. Can't do nothing, can't move it out because it's all apart, right? So here we are.